Ulan, raining here now. Of course. Raining here, raining. Pamaybay TV, good morning. Good morning. Kumusta? Raining na. Kumusta po? I feel like flying. Okay lang po. Thank you. Taga saan ka nga pala? Kalimutan ko, matagal na eh. Maulan dito sa amin. Maulanin. Salamat. Butuan City ko. Okay. Thank you sa 2 people in the house. Salamat po. Oh, 14 people in the house. Thank you so much. Orhan at Mecca. What do you mean? What is what means? Thank you for joining, 14 people. Can you give the thumbs up? Ulan, maulan. Ulanin. What do you mean? I don't understand. Sir Arhan, where are you from? Turkish? Are you Turkish? From Turkey? Your language is ano? Where are you from? Germany? What it means? Turkey? Maingay. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you. Karaba. Orhan English. Orhan English, please. English, please. Karaba. Salamat. Ulan dito sa amin. Ulanin. Thank you for the 5 people in the house. And sino nag-thumbs up? Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Sorry, don't leave me. Dati-dati sabay pa natin pinangarap ang lahat. Lalaro ng tao-tao. Di ko inakala, dun pala nagsimula. Love story di inaasahan. Dahil pala sa isa't isa, magkahawak ang mga kamay. Who is payment as a moderator? Who is payment? What payment? What do you mean payment? Who is payment? Who? What do you mean? Who is payment as moderator? What? What do you mean? Payment. Thank you for 6 people in the house. Thank you so much. The other moderator, the Pamaybay TV. Before, he joined me before months ago. Months ago. He joined me here at the live. And they helped me here, supporting me here. That's why I give him. Before I met you, I met him before. That's why I gave him as a moderator. Before, very long time ago. Months ago, months. Magkahawak ang mga kamay. Hi, Michael. Welcome back. Long time no see. Welcome back again. Hi, Michael. From France. Thank you for joining me here. Magkahawak ang mga kamay. Oh. Tout va bien. Ça va, Michael? Ça va? Pamaybay, yes. The Pamaybay TV. He joined me here months ago. Months ago. Maybe February like that. February or March. Joined me here. That's why I give the jacket. But now he came again. He came in again. Rainy here, raining. Hi, Rodrigo. Good morning. Who is he? I don't know. He's just joining here. I don't know. He's just joining. How are you there, beautiful woman Filipina? I'm fine. How about you, Rodrigo? Chin Chin from Rodrigo. I, I don't know him. Just he joined me here like minutes ago. Good morning, good evening there, Rodrigo, in your country. Morning here now, Philippine time. Team, my friend from Rodrigo. Thank you for the thumbs up, Rodrigo. Kahawak ang mga kamay. Okay po. Yes, 7:47 evening, there, here, the time here now, 7:47 morning. Tip tip like okay easy. Aray ko, nakautuon pa ako. Dinner, yes. Here, breakfast, coffee. Coffee time in the morning. Coffee bed. Coffee bad. Coffee bad. Not bad. Sat Bicol. Good morning. Hi, Sat Bicol.
Nakaka-charge na siya pag-lab.
Naka-charge.
Charge ko ng lyric, no?
Naka-charge.
Tulad ko.
Gamit ko ang charger ko. Pwede ko nito nag-charge. Paano? Pwede.
Ako naman ang sa ako.
Ano sa iba?
Nangaran nga to. Kaya di ho ang ngaran.
Aray ko. Salamat sa... Salamat sa nagtamsak. Ay, na. Hala. Kulat. Sugar and coffee berry. No, I'm not put the sugar for coffee. I don't put. I'm not put. What? Put? Anong gusto kong... sorry, my English. You know what? I don't know how to speak English. So well. I'm not fluent in English so much. Magkahawak ang mga kamay. May nasisong. Oh my God, disgusting. How are you? Welcome back. Long time no here. Sheryl, check moderator off. Okay. Yes, my boss. Oh my God. Kumusta pa? Okay naman. It's just like you sweet. I'm not put sugar in the coffee. Hi, Zaak. Good morning, my friend. Thank you. Thank you, Zaak. Thank you, sir. Okay naman ako, disgusting. Okay naman. Maganda pa din. Showing love. Thank you, disgusting. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. Like, please. Thank you. Rodrigo from Brazil. 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 Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you sa thumbs up. I love Pilipinas, my place. Okay. Someone sell the fisher. The shout out, yeah, tilapia, yellowfin. Ah! Turingan, si Bubog. Isda. Here, please, Brazil. Cheryl, take mother. Yes, I already did. Done. 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 Si Bubog. Wait, I buy ano. Tilapia. Wait. Sorry, bread salt. Arctic me. What? Is that bread? No, not bread. Fish. Thanks. The fish. Arctic me for Philippines. Okay, yeah. Bread salt. Ano? Kinapoy ako. Wait lang. Fish tilapia. Yes, tilapia. Yellowfin. Si Bubog. Buraw. Yellowfin. Wait lang. Turingan. Sushi, sashimi is delicious. Sushi, sashimi is delicious. Delicious. What it means? Sushimi? Sushi, sashimis? Sushi, sashimis? Thank you sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you to those who give the thumbs up. Thank you. Buraw, buraw! Have to go now. Okay, bye. Thank you for your attention. Lol. Always welcome, Rodrigo. Ano yan, good night there in Brazil. Oh, always great to see you, girl. Bye. Bye. Sleep well. God bless you. Rodrigo. Goodness. I will be back. Okay, don't cry. Don't you cry. Argentina. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Shut up and dance with me. Oh. Don't forget like my friends. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. Thank you for 8 million in the house. Malis na sila. 4 na lang. Ala na, ala na, ala na. No, 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 no. Shut up and then don't cry for me, Filipina. Lol. Maloko ka. Maloko ka. I like you a lot, flower like little angel. Bye. Little angel talaga. Ay. No, not old angel. Oh my god. I'm going to menopause na. Little angel. What? I don't know. The weather is calm down. Bye-bye. Bye, Rodrigo. See you later. Next live. Shut up and dance with me. Na, 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 na. The nature of salt. Shut up and dance with me. Oh my goodness. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. My God. Wala na. Wala nang maingay. Tahimik na. Tahimik na yung ano, comment section. Wala na si Rodrigo. Ako. Nanonood lang. Anong sasabihin? Magsalita kayo. Boring tayo. Anong oras na ba? Ay, alis pala. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Bye-bye. See you later. See you next live. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Preparing going to work today. Thank you.